Hello friends, now we will see the final journey of ratio and proportion, the properties of ratio and proportion to solve our practical problems. What are the properties? We'll go through that at first instance. If A by B is equal to C by D, first property is invertendo. We just invert that. So applying invertendo property, it is coming out to be B by A is equal to D by C. This is invertendo. Now we will go for property alternando. Alternando is A by C is equal to B by D. What is that? Alternando. Now we will go for componendo. Componendo is numerator plus denominator and numerator plus denominator at other side also. This is componendo. And dividendo is numerator minus denominator. This is same here, numerator minus denominator. This is dividendo. And the properties which we will be using is the only property apart from these, and that is componendo and dividendo. So if we apply componendo and dividendo, it will be A plus B by A minus B is equal to C plus D by C minus D. So always see, by applying componendo and dividendo, numerator plus denominator, and in the denominator numerator minus denominator, not denominator minus numerator. Same thing we have to do in the RHS side. Be careful that componendo and dividendo can be applied to both sides of the equation. If two things are given, something equal to something, then only we can apply componendo and dividendo, not at single side. Be careful. I have seen people making mistake. So be careful. Now we will attempt the problem. If x is equal to this, prove that this is equal to 2. So what we need to find here, x plus 3a by x minus 3a in a peculiar pattern. That means if x by 3a is there, we apply C and D, that will be x plus 3a and x minus 3a. So why not to use that? So given thing can be used as 2b into 3a by a plus b. Why I'm just writing, I have to bring this 3a here. So on bringing 3a here, x by 3a is equal to 2b by a plus b. Is it? Why I did this? Because after applying C and D, that is componendo and dividendo, I will get the thing what I want. So applying C and D, it is giving us x plus 3a by x minus 3a is equal to numerator plus denominator, that is 2b plus a plus b, by numerator minus denominator, that is 2b minus a minus b, which is going to give you 3b plus a divided by b minus a. So we got the value of x plus 3a by x minus 3a. Same way, if we just go for little bit of manipulation, we will get the value of x plus 3b by x minus 3b as well. So this time what I will write, x by 3b is equal to 2a by a plus b. Now applying C and D, this is giving us x plus 3b by x minus 3b is equal to 2a plus a plus b by 2a minus a minus b, which is 3a plus b divided by a minus b. So we got the value of x plus 3b by x minus 3b also in the terms of a and b. Now I need to find the value of x plus 3a by x minus 3a plus x plus 3b by x minus 3b. That is x plus 3a by x minus 3a plus x plus 3b, x minus 3b, and we got their values. We will just put it here. This is 3b plus a divided by b minus a plus 3a plus b by a minus b. What I am doing, I am making the denominator same. So this will be 3b plus a by b minus a. If I take minus common from here, it will be minus 3a plus b by b minus a, same denominator. So easy to take the LCM. On taking LCM b minus a, it is going to give you 3b plus a minus 3a minus b. What is that? 3b minus b, 2b minus 2a, 2 taken common, b minus a by b minus a. So the answer is coming out to be 2. So wherever you just see in that fashion, be tempted to apply C and D. Now see in question number 2, if this is equal to that, prove x is equal to 11. We have to prove. So we know that if we just go for a little bit of manipulation of this thing, this will be in perfect form. What is it? This is x cube plus 3x divided by 3x square plus 1 is equal to 341 by 91. We apply C and D. Applying C and D, it is giving us x cube plus 3x square plus 1 divided by x cube plus 3x minus 3x square minus 1, and here it is 341 plus 91 by 341 minus 91. Numerator plus denominator, numerator minus denominator. Do you know? This is the formula of x plus 1 whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab plus 3a square b. You just say this is the formula of x plus 1 whole cube. So this is x plus 1 whole cube and this is x minus 1 whole cube. Is it? And here it is coming out to be 2, 3, 4, 32 divided by 0, 5, 250, which is 216 by 125 and which is 6 by 5 whole cube. In cube format, because here in cube format we can cancel out cube both sides, which is giving us ultimately x plus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 6 by 5. Now again it is in the fashion numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. So we are again tempted to apply C and D. If we just apply C and D, what we will get? All the time it is coming out to be numerator by denominator fashion. We will see how it is coming. So one technique you just remember, if it is a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d, and we apply C and D, componendo and dividendo, it will come out in the fashion a by b is equal to c by d. If we apply C and D to this, this will be like this. But again we apply C and D to this, this will come out to be like this. That we will see here. Applying C and D again, it is coming out to be x plus 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 minus x plus 1. So what it is coming out to be, see here, 2x by 2, and here it is coming out to be 6 plus 5 by 6 minus 5. So this is 2x by 2 is equal to 11 by 1. So x is equal to 11. We got it. So just be careful. It is in this fashion. Go for that. If it is that, you will get this after applying C and D. We have just seen that if a by b is equal to c by d, we can just write a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d, or vice versa. Same is the thing here. So we are tempted to apply C and D. If I just write 1 here, applying C and D, it will be x plus 1 by x minus 1. And can you write directly what it will be? It is numerator plus denominator, numerator minus denominator. How to identify a plus b by a minus b? So applying C and D, it will give us a by b. So it will give us m plus 1 cube root by m minus 1 cube root. I have just written a simple step because I explained you that a minus b by a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. On applying C and D, it will be a by b. It will be c by d. Same way, a plus b by a minus b. So this is a by b. I wrote it. Now cubing both sides, it will give us x cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3x square plus 3x, and here it is x cube plus x cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3x, and here it is m plus 1 by m minus 1. So see here, again I can apply C and D. Here this is in the fashion, this like same, this like same. On combining the terms, you can just write x cube plus 3x here plus 1 plus 3x square, and here you can write x cube plus 3x here minus 1 plus 3x square, and here it is m plus 1 by m minus 1. So now again it is in the form of a plus b by a minus b, c plus d by c minus d. Apply C and D, it will give us a by b. On applying C and D, apply again C and D, it will give us a, that is x cube plus 3x by b, that is 1 plus 3x square, is equal to a by b. So you just multiply the thing, it is coming out to be x cube plus 3x is equal to m minus 3 mx square. You just bring that side, so it will be x cube minus 3 mx square plus 3x minus m equal to 0. What we need to prove? So we just got expertise in application of the C and D. In this format we can bring, and wherever in this format we can bring this. Be careful that C and D is applied to both sides of the equation. Hope you are understanding the properties of C and D very well. Thank you.